Good morning. We are outside Harrods. We are going to go inside and look at their chocolate haul. It's nearly Easter time. It's a very wet day today, and we're going to go inside and see what goodies they have to offer. So in the heart of London, this is Harrods. Let's go inside. Here we are, outside the chocolate hall. I'm filming on my phone just to be discreet, so forgive any jumpiness of the video. But here we are. Look at these lovely Union Jack chocolates here. British flag on them. Lots of different varieties there, as you can see. Hope you can make out the prices. And over to our left, here we go, there's a few Easter bits here. Here we go, an Easter egg. What flavours we've got there? Fine milk chocolate. And some more there. Dark chocolate selection. Ooh, some Peter Rabbit chocolate. We'll make our way over here as well. There's some real fine chocolate selections here. Quite expensive, but I'm sure the quality is amazing. These are pre-packed chocolate selection boxes. Large, medium and small. There's some more pre-packed selections here as well. Let's head over to the individual chocolates that actually made up those selection boxes. And there they are. Look at these. If you have a sweet tooth, make your way to Harrods Chocolate Hall. Really do look tempting, don't they? If you liked the video so far, please feel free to hit that subscribe button. It's free to do and really helps our channel out. Thank you very much. Lots and lots of selection boxes there. Some more individual chocolates over here. Godiva. Really do look amazing, don't they? You don't have to buy a massive selection box or spend a fortune, you can just get the individual ones. And look at these. Some macaroons. I might have to buy some macaroons later. I've never actually eaten a macaroon. And these look nice, don't they? Got some chocolate eclairs. And these massive cakes here. My word. Vanilla flan. I love vanilla. All these amazing boxes of chocolates we've got. Some more selections here. presentation's absolutely amazing, isn't it? It's also nearly Mother's Day, so there's some chocolates there with Mum on them. There we go. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, thank you. Thank you. We are coming up to Easter, so there will be a lot of Easter-related chocolate here. I can't believe the amount of variety there is. These little sort of ice cream cones there, they look lovely. Some more selection boxes. Hello. Sort of a pick and mix. You can just pick a bunch of different items and put them in a bag. Look at this display, wow. Well, these Ramadan chocolates. Never seen those before. And here we go. There's some Easter related items. Some lovely Easter eggs. Wow, look at this one. £250. What's this? Ooh, this is actually a peacock made entirely out of chocolate. There's a little plaque below, we'll just have a quick look at that. Wow. It really is quite amazing, isn't it? All made out of chocolate. We'll head on over to this selection here. These look amazing, don't they? If you've ever visited Harrods Chocolate Hall, please leave any comments below what you if you purchased anything, and let us know how it tasted, if you think it was worth the price tags. All these pre-packed sort of gift bags. And over here we have where they actually make some chocolates. And at different times of the day you can watch them actually making them. Wow. We're a bit early. And there's the little sort of workshop. People prepping the chocolates. Some Easter eggs there below us. Some little miniature eggs there. They look good. Some slabs. I'm getting very hungry looking at all this chocolate. £50 for that egg. And £5 for these little small ones. Coming up to a load of bonbons. £2.50 each. What a selection there. There's some pre-packed bonbons that you can buy in a gift set.
Yeah, can I have 3 macaroons, please?
Oh no, we get 6. We get the £15 one.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm going to have 2 vanillas, please.
Pistachio, please. A praline. What other one do you fancy?
I'm fine, I've got vanilla.
Have a raspberry one and
Passion fruit.
do you want passion or
Will you?
citron?
I don't mind. You get one for you.
Yeah, I'll try a passion one, please. Thank you.
That's great. Thank you very much. Thank you. So we finally got home from London and here we are. These are the macaroons we bought in Harrods. Come on Jan, open them up. Ooh, looks very posh.
So these are all the different flavours.
Can't remember what we ordered now.
We had 2 vanilla, pistachio, raspberry and passion fruit.
Ooh.
Right, Stephen's never had a macaroon, so go on,
Right,
taste one.
where's the vanilla one?
I think it's them two, so they're together.
These.
These two
Is it?
at the end, yeah.
Okay, I shall try one.
What do you think?
Softer than I thought.
I'm going to go for my pistachio. We're not going to show you us eating them because it's gone midnight. And we've just got back from London and we're wet and tired. I'm desperate for macaroons. That one.
Very tasty.
Our next macaroon trip will be Paris in a month and a half.
Yes, stay tuned.